Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a girl's voice text to speech. So all you have to do is to simply go to this site where you can see this feature, put text to speech into action. So this is not for free. You can only avail few trials. After that, you have to pay for that, okay? So let's just say, for example, I'm going to type this word. You can't run from my arrow. Okay, so you just have to follow this instruction here. This should be WaveNet, and then here, WaveNet F, okay? And then you just leave this part, go to pitch, and this should be 3 point something, okay? And now, if you have your audio recorder, all you have to do is to launch that one if you have screen recorder. But what I'm trying to point out is that you have to record the voice or the speech, okay? Because we can see an option here or a button here that says save. So all we have to do is to simply record the output of this. So I downloaded this audio recorder and then I just waited for a few seconds or minutes. And then after that, I saved the audio and now I open CapCut here. So to have a good result, I just import the audio, okay, because I have here the image already. So I click audio import and then I look for the audio file, okay, import the file. Now drag the picture and also the audio, which we got from text to speech, okay. So if you want to know the result, then this is the result.
Run from my arrow. You can't run from my arrow.
And that's it. Now you can just export that one and then use that in your TikTok or other social media platform. Actually, you can edit also the speech here if you want. And I do really hope that this video helped you. And this is how you create a girl's voice text to speech. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.